Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter for Computer Science 2, that is Introduction to Microcontroller. So let's begin. In this video, we are going to study what is microcontroller, advantages of the same over microprocessor based system, and the features of 8051 microcontroller. What is microcontroller? A microcontroller is a complete microprocessor system consisting of microprocessor, limited amount of ROM, EPROM, RAM, and I/O ports built on a single integrated circuit. So, microcontroller means it is a complete microprocessor system. First, understand what is a microprocessor. So, we are already seen microprocessor briefly. Now, we will see short what is mean by microprocessor. So it is a small chip that resides in the computer and other electronic devices, and it is an electronic component that is used by the computer to do its work. So microprocessor is a CPU of a computer. So it is a microprocessor is a processor which performs the functions of a CPU on a single IC. So the microcontroller it means it is a complete microprocessor system, and it consists of the microprocessor, limited amount of ROM, RAM and I/O ports built on a single IC. So in the single IC it consists of the microprocessor, limited amount of ROM, EPROM, RAM and I/O ports built on a single IC. So that is the concept of microcontroller. So in the microprocessor, for example, if you want to communicate, so we are using the interface. For example, there is a separate circuit for interrupt IO post. But in the microcontroller, it is in a single IC. So all the components, all the devices, all the circuits are available in the single IC. So that is the concept of the microcontroller. So microcontroller is in fact a microcomputer because it is called because it is used to perform the control functions. And the design of the microcontroller is they are identified all the needs to build in a simple microprocessor system and process many as possible in a single IC. So the design of the microcontroller identify all the needs to build in a simple microprocessor system. Actually, the microcontroller is a complete microprocessor system. So and process many as possible in a single IC. So they are putting the in a single IC what are the circuits are possible they are putting in the single IC. For example, a microcontroller is consists of the complete microprocessor system, ROM, RAM, I/O ports, interrupt, etc. So the example of microcontroller circuit is Intel's A048 and Intel A051. Advantages are the same over microprocessor based system. The first one is the cost of microcontroller is less than a microprocessor based system. The cost is very less as compared to the microprocessor based system. In the microprocessor, so there is a separate circuit for the interrupt port is using, but in the microcontroller in a single IC, all the components available in the single IC. So the cost is less. A microcontrollers are more I/O components than a microprocessor based system. So in the microcontroller, it has consists of four I/O components. I/O components means input/output operation. It is using four I/O components. So it means there is a four I/O components is using. So it is more as compared to the microprocessor based system. A microcontroller can be used in a wide variety of intelligent products such as in personal computers and keyboards. The actually the microcontroller, all the components is available in the single IC, so it can be used in wide variety of intelligent products they are using, such as personal computers, keyboards they are using. The many low-cost products such as electronic toys, electric drills, microwave ovens, VCRs are based on the microcontrollers. Actually, in the microcontroller, it has a limited amount of ROM and I/O ports, so you build on a single IC. So the cost is less. So it has low cost as compared to the microprocessor system. So the many low-cost products such as they are building in the electronic toys, electric drills, microwave ovens, VCRs are based on the microcontrollers, and this function is not available in the microprocessor based system. So these are the four advantages of the same over microprocessor based system. Features of A051 microcontroller. Before going to the features of A051 microcontroller, we will see we will see the some features of the A048 microcontroller. The first 8-bit microcontroller was a A048 microcontroller. So it is introduced by the Intel. Then shortly after that, Intel introduced doubles the amount of ROM and RAM with 8049 microprocessor. The first 8-bit microcontroller was a 8048 microcontroller. Then afterwards there was a 8049 microprocessor also introduced by the Intel. Then the microprocessor, there is a A051 microcontroller. That is a it is a second generation and 8-bit microcontroller. So now we will see the features of the A051 microcontroller. So it is an 8-bit ALU. ALU means it will perform the arithmetical logical operation. Arithmetic means addition, subtraction, and logical means and not. So these are the functions of performed by the ALU. So it has an 8-bit ALU. So it is also called as a 8-bit microcontroller. And next one, it has 4K byte ROM or EPROM. ROM is read only memory. So it is a type of non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory means the memory will not be erased when the power goes off. So it is used in computers and other electronic devices. So the 8051 microcontroller consists of the 4K byte of ROM. Next one, it has 128 byte of RAM. RAM is random access memory. So it is a volatile memory and it is a main memory in the computer, and it is much faster to read from and write to than other kinds of the storage devices such as hard disk. So this is it consists of the 128 byte of RAM, and it has dual 16-bit timer event counter. So it consists of the two 16-bit timer event counter. So it can act as a timer or counter also. Next one, it has 32 IO lines, that is for 4 8-bit IO ports. IO port means it is used for the input output operation. So it is in the microcontroller, in the 8051 microcontroller. So it is in IO ports are the bidirectional for IO operations is using. So it consists of the 4 8-bit IO ports. So it means 32 IO lines are used. So each port is of 8 bit. So each port is of 8 bit. It means 4 8-bit 8 port. So it means 32 IO lines. So it provides a physical connection to the outside world, and the input port provides a gateway for passing and data from the outside world. So it was used for the input port, and the output port allows a microcontroller to control the external devices. So generally all the ports in microcontrollers have dual functionality. So that is they can act as a both input as well as output. So it has 32 IO lines for 4 8-bit IO ports. The next feature is it can address 64 KB of program memory. The program memory it also called as ROM. So it is used for the permanent saving program being executed. So that is called the program memory. So it is can address of a 64 KB of program memory, and it can address 64 KB of data memory. So data memory means ROM. So it is used for the temporarily storing and keeping intermediate results or variables. So it is used for the temporarily storing. So it can address the 64 KB of data memory, and it has powerful instruction set. That is, it consists of the 111 instructions. So instructions, it means it is a set of binary pattern that is followed by the microcontroller to perform your functions. So it consists of the 111 instructions. And the next one is it has two external interrupt. So interrupt it means we are already seen. Then also interrupt is a condition that allow the microcontroller temporarily to work on a different task. So it has consist of the two interrupt. There is a two external interrupt is that. Next one is it has to clock up to 12 megahertz frequency. So the clock is used in the microcontroller. So it allows the operations inside the microcontroller and other parts. So a clock generator is an integral part of the microcontroller architecture. So what a clock signal allows the operations inside the microcontroller other parts. So it has clock up to 12 megahertz frequency. So these are the features of the micro A051 microcontroller. So in this video we have seen what is microcontroller and the advantages of the same over microprocessor based system and the features of A051 microcontroller.